Welcome to Kids Learning Channel.
Hello little dear friends! Today I came here with a fun fail, find the hidden objects video. In this video we will find different objects in different scenes. Let me give you a little snippet of today's video. First we'll go on a jungle adventure to find the hidden animal.
Then we will explore space to find a lost rocket. After that we will visit a farm to find a little chicken. Then we will dive in the deep ocean to find hidden starfish. Last but not the least, we will go to a toy room to find lost teddy bear.
So are you all excited? Yeah, let's start our fun.
We are in this dense jungle and we have to find a hidden animal. Where is the animal? Did you see any? Oh, did you hear the sound? Which animal sound is this? Any guesses? Oh, what is it? Did you see the movement here? I guess we found it. I guess we are near. Oh yeah, it's a tiger. We won. Hooray! Now move to the next game. Let's find the hidden starfish. Did you see any? No, not yet. Oh, what is it? Under the leaves, something is moving. Let's look closely. Oh, it's a starfish. Hooray, we won again. Now move to the next adventure. Let's go to space to find hidden rocket. Did you see any? No, not yet. No worries, keep searching. Oh, what is it under the stars? Some fire or some rocket? Oh wow! We find it. It's a rocket. Hooray! We won. Now let's go to farm to do some fun. Let's find hidden chicken. Did you see any little chicken? No, it's a hen. It's not a chicken. We are searching for a little chicken, okay? Oh, what's under that golden grass? Oh, it's a little chicken busy in having his meal. Wow, so cute. Hooray, we won again. Now move to our last adventure in a toy room to find hidden teddy bear. Ah, too many toys are here, but we are looking for a teddy bear. Did you see any? Keep searching. Look closely. Oh, what is it? Behind this toy. It's a toy basket. And in this toy basket, here's a teddy bear. We found it and we won again. Hooray! It's the end. I hope you enjoyed our fun-filled thrill adventure. For more such adventures, do give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, goodbye.